This video is about the modification of the stem and the leaves. In the stem, the first modification is this runner. The roots develop at the lower side and the leaves on the upper side at the region of the nodes. This is found in the grass and oxalis. This runner, when the herbivorous animal will eat away this upper green part, but still the stem will be left just under the surface and will give rise to again the green leaves. So this is the runners. The second is this stolon. In stolon, in it the branch develops from the lower part of the stem, and this goes up and laterally for some distance and again enters into soil. Yeah, this is very good picture in which this new little branch has given rise to this new plant, and in between there is no internode is very long. This is found in this strawberry and jasmine. Jasmine is your Raat ki Rani. In jasmine and in the strawberry, this is stolon. Then this is sucker. The sucker, the stem goes under the soil and it comes out to give rise a new plant. In the difference is that not at every node there is the roots and shoots. The sucker is said to be sucker because it sucks the nutrition from the main plant, from the roots. Here we see that this is the sucker of the banana. This is the sucker of banana, and this is the parent plant. This is the rhizome of the banana. So in banana there are two modifications of the stem. One is sucker, second is rhizome. We see the rhizome later on also. So next is example is sucker of the pineapple. This is very good picture. It's showing this plant, the pineapple. In pineapple there are two types of sucker. These are ground sucker, these are aerial sucker. When this is the fruit, this is the fruit, these are the suckers. When these suckers are taken from this parent plant and they are put in soil, this will give rise to new plant. So it's a method of reproduction, vegetative reproduction in pineapple. Like as this you are seeing these suckers of pineapple. These are suckers of pineapple. Suckers of pineapple. Then the suckers are found in this chrysanthemum. This is Guldaudi. Here we are seeing that the new plant, this is sucker, which will give rise to new plant at the end from the main plant. So it becomes a method of vegetative reproduction. Here we are seeing the sucker of the banana, which is originating just near the parent plant. And this is the rhizome of the banana. Then this is the offset. The offset is also called the aquatic runner because it's same like the runner. There will be tuft of the roots underneath. This is the aquatic plant. This is the rosette of flower leaves. The examples include the piscia. This is piscia and eichhornia. The eichhornia is also called the darophanol. This is aquatic plant. It fills up the pond very soon by its vegetative reproduction. This is called, here the leaves, the petiole of the leaves is enlarged, bulb-like. So this is the offset. Then underground modification include this tuber. Tuber is for the potato is a tuber, it is a stem. The eyes which are present, they are basically the axillary bud. Then there are terminal buds. If you see the plant of the potato, this was the potato which was grown, put in the soil. From this these stem and the leaves appear. Some of the branches of the potato undergo underground, and then at the end of those branches, like as this branch, at the end of this branch, this new potato appears. So this is the stem modification. Second is this rhizome. The rhizome, exemplified by the ginger, they grow horizontally. They grow horizontally, and here there are the scale nodes and internodes. At the nodes there are scaly leaves. So why it is not root? Because it bears node and internode, and here scaly leaves. These are the roots. Then these are the shoots. This is a stem. So ginger, turmeric are the examples of this. Even in kana there is some this rhizome. What you eat in the that is the vein, that is the rhizome of the water lily, that is the lotus. If you put the from there the nodes, these are originating the leaves and the flowers. Then there are rhizome of the banana. Corm, difference between the corm and the rhizome is that corm grows vertically. The rhizome grows horizontally, the corm goes vertically. The new stem, new branch of the stem will appear downward. This is found in this arbi, that is colocasia, kachalu, this saffron, saffron has corms. This gladiolus is a flower which bears the corms. This is jimmican, also called the amorphophallus. This is used for making some vegetables. This has a flower. All these colocasia and amorphophallus has this inflorescence which is called it's a very big flower. You see, this is a very big flower, and this is in the form of spathy. In the inflorescence in form of spathy. This is another modification of the stem and the leaves called the bulbs. In bulbs, the stem is modified. It is just a flattened structure. There are roots, and the leaves are modified for the storage of the food. So this is a modification of both stem and the leaves. The stem is just rudimentary, and the leaves are storing the food. This is found the garlic, and here this is the garlic. Garlic and the onion are examples of the bulbs. Other modification that it can be have the tendrils which are originating. The stem has modified into tendrils for trying to grow up. They can be thorns as in bougainvillea and pomegranate. This is the modification of stem. It's called phylloclades. In phylloclade, this is a cylindrical green structure. The stem is modified into cylindrical green structure for photosynthesis, and the leaves are modified into the spines. Here it is opuntia. This is a flat green structure. This is fleshy. Both are fleshy. Both the leaves are modified into the spines. This is phylloclade, euphorbia and opuntia. If you see a structure of a leaf, the leaf has stipules, petiole, the bud, the lamina, the main width, and various incisions. The base, this base of this leaf in monocotyledons is like as to cover up the stem from both the sides. In case of monocot plants, in this the petiole is enlarged in case of some leguminous plants. So this petiole, which is very much swollen in the case of the Eichhornia. In citrus plant, you will see that there is in the form of wings. The petiole is enlarged with the wings. Then this is the stipule. If you want to see the stipule, go to the hibiscus. You will find there is stipule in the leaves. Then we want to see the modification of the leaves. The leaves are Modified, let's see first the venation. This is the reticulate venation present in dicot plants. Most of dicot plants. This is parallel venation present in the monocot plants. Then modification of the leaves. The first is that we have the tendrils, the leaf tendrils or leaflet tendrils are present in the sweet pea and the white pea. The leaves are modified into spine in case of the cactus and Panacea and argemon. This is argemon. Remember this argemon. This plant is argemon. Then the leaves are picture shaped in the picture plant, which is the Venus flytrap. This is insectivorous plant. Then the leaves are modified into small bladder-like in utricularia. It's also an insectivorous plant. Then this is phylloid. In phylloid, the petiole is enlarged to make the leaf-like structure, and the leaves are soon shed up. Leaves are small and soon shed. This is found in Australian acacia. This is phylloid, not phylloplate. This is phylloid. This acacia is the babul, not the kikar. Kikar is Prosopis julifera. So these were the modification of the leaves. Here we're seeing the leaflet tendrils in the case of the sweet pea, and the modification of the leaf as seen in the Lithyrus. So this now we come to the type of the leaves, which is simple and compound. When these two compound leaves, when that the leaf is divided into leaflets, and this is called the rachis. When the rachis is long and both the sides the leaflets are present as a ear pinna, then this is pinnate. This is like palm, so it is palmate. The pinnate compound leaf found in the neem, and this is found in the silk cotton. Here the rachis is short and all leaflets are arranged at the end of this petiole. There is no axillary bud at this region, so this makes it different from the hurled phyllotaxy. This is silk cotton. It's compound palmate leaf. This is the examples of some phyllotaxis, arrangement of leaves on the stem. Here these are alternate, and as in sunflower, hibiscus, mustard. In the mustard, the leaf is again compound leaf. This is opposite phyllotaxy, present in this calotropis, present in this tulsi called ocimum, and guava. If you see this guava, these are opposite leaves. The word phyllotaxy is found in this nerium. And this first is this Elstonia. Elstonia is devil tree. You have seen this tree around here. This is nerium. In this is whorl. There are three leaves originating at same point. This is nerium with whorl phyllotaxy. So thank you.